Guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making tortilla chips with the Instant Pot using the air fryer lid. If you have the dual crisp, you can do this recipe as well. Just the buttons will be on the side of the Instant Pot versus on top of the lid like the air fryer lid. But you guys, it's a super easy, quick, great recipe. You can use this for salsa and chips, or you can even do nachos, which is something that we can do as well. But definitely, this is how you would make tortilla chips in the air fryer lid. I'm going to show you how. If you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to check the description box below. I will have the links for that as well. And then make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed. And you know what? All year long on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews, we're going to have new recipes every single week for the air fryer lid or the Duo Crisp on my channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what you guys want me to make next. But let's go ahead and dive right into making these tortilla chips. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. We have about 6 tortillas here. So 3, 4, 5, 6. I forgot how to count, guys. Alright, so I have 6 tortillas. Now, what we have to do is you want to make sure first that you're on a clean surface. But I have an oil sprayer. This is the Evil oil sprayer, and I have avocado oil. You can use grapeseed oil as well, but basically you want a high smoking point oil. So I'm just going to spritz the front and the back. And if you don't even have an oil sprayer, don't worry. You can put your oil in a little bowl and use this little brush. It's a silicone brush. I actually bought it from the Dollar Tree, and it's my favorite little brush. But basically, you can rub the oil and make sure that it's covered everywhere. So you're going to want to do this to all of your tortillas. And this is the secret part to getting it crisped up. So once you do it on the other side, just rub that all around. And do this for all of them and stack them because we're going to cut them right afterwards. So I'm going to finish spraying them and then we'll be back. Alright, so we're back. So I just have a sharp knife here. We're going to cut it in the 4. You can do smaller pieces if you wanted and do a bigger slice of the pie essentially. But you're going to want to cut it in half here. Turn it and then cut it in half again. So just 4 equal parts. And there you have it. Now, I don't think I did equal, essentially, right there, but maybe, okay, I did a little bit bigger on this side. But this is the main point, is to have all of your tortillas like this, essentially. So you want to just cut it into the amount of slices that you want. If you wanted to cut it again, you definitely can. I'm going to leave it like this. So you can separate them. I'm going to bring out our air fryer or our Instant Pot and the air fryer lid, and we can go ahead and start air frying. Oh, also, if you wanted to add salt, you can just mix them up and add some salt here. You would want to do it before air frying because the oil is what's going to help it stick to the salt, or help the salt stick to the oil. So you can definitely add any seasoning that you wanted. I'm just doing some salt here, and let's get the air fryer. Alright, so what we're going to do is preheat the air fryer. We're going to do air fry 370 degrees for 14 minutes. Oh, there I go, 1 minute longer. So 14 minutes, 370 degrees. We're going to go ahead and let this preheat, and we'll be back to add our tortillas. Alright, so it's preheated. We're going to go ahead and just throw our tortillas in. Alright, so I just threw them in here. And what we're going to do is mix them at the halfway mark, which is 7 minutes. Alright, so we'll be back in 7 minutes. Alright, so we're at the halfway mark, and it's letting us know it's time to turn the food. So I want to show you guys what it looks like. They're starting to curl up. You can kind of see that the tops are crisping up. So you're just going to mix them around softly, just to be careful not to rip them, and allow the 7 minutes to finish, and they'll be good to go. Alright, so we're going to let them finish, and we'll be back to check on them. Alright, so the cycle is done. I'm going to bring out one so you can see. It has a nice golden color. I'm going to go ahead and bring them all out so we can take a closer look. Alright, and there we have it. We have our chips. I want to show you guys. You can hear the crunch. You can hear it when I'm chewing on it. But that is how you would make nacho, or basically you can make nachos if you wanted to, but this is how you would make nacho chips or the tortilla chips in the Instant Pot using the air fryer lid. Now if you have the dual crisp, you can also do this as well. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Instant Pot air fryer lid recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews, all year long. And let me know in the comments what you guys think or what you guys want me to make next. But until next time, you guys have a great night.